A few months ago, AI images looked a little, well, off. Extra fingers, messy text, you could spot them a mile away. Today is a different story. Google's new Nano Banana in Gemini is turning out clean, consistent visuals fast.
Welcome to the Get Digital Marketing Results podcast, where you get clear, actionable strategies to turn your random acts of marketing into reliable revenue.
Hi, I'm Bob Clark.
And I'm Donna Body. We're with Delos Inc., and we make the web work for you. Today, we're talking about what's new in AI image generation and how you can use it in your marketing right now. Remember when you could spot AI images easily because of those extra fingers or arms?
That's right, Donna. Things have gotten a lot better and quickly. We've talked previously about ChatGPT's image creation that came out a few months ago, and it is much better at text and rendering. And now Google's raising the stakes with Nano Banana. This is a new Gemini 2.5 flash image model, and it's available to everyone right now in the Gemini app or Google's AI Studio.
I've seen some incredible output with this new model. It can blend multiple images into one, maintain character consistency so your subject looks the same in new settings, and it lets you make targeted edits with plain text language that only affect the parts of the image you want.
That makes it great for real marketing use, product shots, team photos, brand stories.
Exactly. It really excels when you upload an existing photo or photos and reimagine the output. Change backgrounds, restyle elements, or add new elements, all while preserving the parts that you want. You can also combine different photos into a single scene or transfer style from one image to another. Think same person, new setting, or same product, different vibe. Consistency. It's built to keep the same character or product across edits and scenes.
One thing I'm always asked about is text. How does it handle words on images?
It's much better at rendering readable text on graphics, headlines, labels, even longer copy. This makes it useful for quick social media and thumbnail images.
Is there anything we should watch out for?
Well, a few things. Google adds Synth ID watermarks to AI images for transparency, which is good to know if you're mixing AI with real photos on your site. And also, if you're using AI for product photos, know that the AI is recreating them, so there may be subtle differences from the actual product. You might want to add a disclaimer like all images are for illustrative purposes only. And most importantly, quality still depends on clear prompts and solid source photos.
Right. Just like with any copy you generate, it's all about the prompt and the context.
Your prompts should include as many specifics as you can think of. So instead of saying, create an image of a woman in a red dress, try create an image of a young woman in a red dress running through a park. The more details you provide, the better result you'll get. You should also take composition, style, and image size into consideration. Tell it if you want the output to be a portrait Instagram post or a landscape YouTube thumbnail, for example.
So have fun playing with Nano Banana with these action steps for this week. First, pick one recent photo and create two reimagined versions that keep the subject consistent but change the setting, style, or output format. Second, write a reusable prompt template that includes subject, action, scene, composition, style, and output format. For example, keep the same person and outfit, change the background to a softly lit office, add shallow depth of field and format for a portrait Instagram post. And third, try one multi-image blend to combine elements from two photos into a single on-brand visual.
You don't have to be a designer to get on-brand visuals anymore. Start with the photos you have, keep your subject consistent, and use AI to change the context so you can publish faster and stay on message.
And that's it for today's episode. You can find links and more resources on this topic at delosinc.com/episode 413. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on actionable digital marketing tips to grow your organization.
Thanks for listening to the Get Digital Marketing Results podcast. If you're ready to simplify your marketing and build reliable growth for your business, visit us at delosinc.com to learn more.